I am still alive. Haven't disappeared yet. I think I only traded one day this week. Still in vacation and life contemplation mode. But I finally got a minute to do some playback trading. I just loaded the New York Open from this morning, which I slept through, playing around with the charts, and I wanted to show you a creative way to use the ultimate POC. I've got a 5-minute chart over on the right hand side of the screen here. I drew all of these purple lines before the market opened at 9:30. They're all based on point of controls that are at the same price point. I just got into a nice short when we approached this purple line right here, and we just had a nice bounce off of that right to the tick. Came down over 10 points. So I've got the ultimate POC on the chart, nothing else besides the NINZA quick drawing tools that I'm using to make these purple lines. In my data series, I have the color for the down bars and the up bars set to transparent, and I've got a silver outline, but the original chart looks like this. I've got the body outline, the wick, the down bars, the up bars, all set to transparent in my data series. So I'm just seeing the point of control on the chart. And then once I drew these lines, I right-clicked, duplicated into a new tab, and then I added the outlines back in for the candles when I'm trading it in practice mode here. So this is a 5-minute chart, but you could also use a higher time frame like the 15 or the 60-minute, 240-minute, whatever you'd like to use. What I'm looking for is point of controls that are along the same price point. So I'm just hovering my cursor, kind of scanning the charts. I notice there's a bunch right there, and this is that purple line that we just had the bounce down from. This last point of control was printed at 8:30 in pre-market. Scan down, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all in the same area. I drew a line there. It's not an exact science, but just looking for large gatherings of these POCs. There's just a bunch all along this line, and then a bunch all along this purple line. Then most recently we had these two point of controls right at the same price point. This is still pre-market, 9:20. It aligned with another point of control back here. Then we've got a couple right here at the same price point, and a few back here. And the next level down we have a bunch right there, a bunch on this line, and a bunch on that line. So then when I started practice trading at 9:30, switched over to this chart, and I'm using these purple lines as extra support and resistance. Areas where there's been exceptionally high volume traded at certain price points. So I've got this 5-minute chart off to the side looking at these levels. I've got my very simple 1-minute chart that I'm taking most of my entries on. Got the 20 SMA, the 250 SMA, got VWAP, and then I've got one small component that is going to be part of the new indicator, a very, very, very tiny small feature built into this mega behemoth of a new indicator that's coming out soon. These signals are based on changes in volume, so there will be some more videos explaining all of the joys and wonders of this new indicator coming out in the near future. I just wanted to share this way to use the ultimate POC indicator. I've got my higher time frame chart on the left, 60-minute time frame with the key levels on here. Heiken Ashi painting the candles. Got the NINZA daily session market profile on here as well. The settings for the ultimate POC. I've got the POC enabled on top of the candle with the 4, color is gold, not using any of the other features. I've got my free quick drawing indicator from NINZA. You can get this free on their website just by joining their newsletter. You can choose any of these drawing objects to enable. All I have enabled is the ray and the horizontal line. So that's what's appearing up in this little toolbar here. You can change the color for the foreground and the background of the toolbar. Choose where you want to dock it, left, top, bottom. You can change the spacing and the margin. It's an incredibly helpful tool if you like using drawing objects on your chart. So just a quick little video today. I will be getting back to posting regular content at some point here, hopefully sooner than later. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in, Apex just revamped their 80% off sale. Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, and TradeDay all have great deals. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan is absolutely amazing. Greatly appreciate the support. Best of luck in your trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.